Good morning, dear students. Today I am explaining types of operating systems. Operating system is an interface between the users and hardware, and it helps us our computer to come in running conditions. So there are different types of operating systems are available in a market nowadays. So today I am discussing the types of operating system. The basic operating systems are single user operating system, multi-program operating system, time-sharing operating system, real-time operating system, multi-processing operating systems, and distributed operating system. First, single user operating system. Single user operating systems, as name suggested, only one users can do their work at a time. The example of this operating system is DOS operating system. And next one is multi-program operating system. In multi-program operating system, more than one programs can run by the operating system one by one. The multi-programming operating system allow to so many tasks will be completed in a given time. The example of these operating systems are Windows, Linux, etc. Multi-processing operating systems. Multi-processing operating system is also similar to the multi-program operating system, but different is that it support more than one processor or combinedly work as a unit. Basically, these operating systems are used for distributing the work of operating system. For example, this operating system is also support to sharing resources to different or multiple processor. So it is basically used to reduce the cost of hardware. Time sharing operating systems, it is also a multi-programming operating system, but CPU provide each program a fixed time for executions. For example, if 10 programs run our computer, so CPU provide 10 minutes or 10 millisecond each program. So it will be complete their task on given time. If the program is not completed the task on given time, so CPU is sent it back to wait condition and executed to the next program. It is called time sharing operating system. Then real-time operating system, it is also similar to the time sharing operating system, but different is that they are allotted the time according to the length of program. If the program is small, so it provide a less time to that particular program and utilize that time to other program and give the large program time to in a segment. So it is called real-time operating system. Next is distributed operating system. Basically, Linux and Unix based operating system is called distributed operating system. In these operating systems, the programs are divided into different parts and it will be distributed to different sites of countries. So the different sites of countries, they are do their task and combinedly join it. So it is called distributed operating system. Next, operating system based on types of interface. According to their appearance, operating systems are divided into two types. First one is command line and second one is interactive operating system. In command line operating system, just like DOS, in DOS we need to learn the command and give this command with the help of keyboard. This is called command line interface. Now second one is interactive operating system interface. Interactive, as name suggests, it's graphical user interface. It's only based on point and open their application. These operating system based on WIMP. W means window, I means icon, M means menu, and P means pointer. So it's provide basically Windows, Linux, Android, etc. The interactive interface again divided into two types. First one is for mobile system and second one is for computer system or laptop or desktop. So in laptop and desktop we are using GUI, and in mobile today's we are using touch screen interactive operating system. The next one is commonly used operating system. Nowadays different types of operating systems are available and it will be run by different devices. First one is Linux operating system. Linux is a distributed operating system. It is basically work on distribute their work. And second one is Windows operating system. It is used for personal use, personal computer, office use. The example of Windows operating system: Windows 8, Windows 10, etc. BOS operating system. BOS, the full form of BOS is Bharat Operating System. This operating system is developed by the Bharat organizations. It is Indian operating system, and these operating systems give the facility to run our system in different languages of different regions. Next is Solaris operating system. It is developed in 1992 and it is Unix based operating system. Next one, mobile operating system. Mobile operating systems having to turn smart, and it is basically used in smartphones. The basic mobile operating systems are Android operating system. It is Linux based operating system. Symbian operating system. It is also Linux based, but it is developed by the Nokia. Next, Windows Phone. Microsoft Windows developed this operating system for the smartphone. Then Apple I operating systems. It is developed by the Apple company and it is used for iPhone, iPad and iTouch, etc. Then RIM BlackBerry operating system. It is developed by the BlackBerry and it is used by the global telecommunications companies. It is the basic commonly used operating system nowadays. Thank you.